Hello everyone, how are you? Today we are going to do a surprise experiment in which I'll show you what I have collected. So in that I have one paper, I have one glass, water, and this is baking soda, this is detergent, and this is turmeric. And I have lemon slice. Along with that I have one cotton bud and one spreading normal cotton pad. That's it. If you guys have these things, you can bring anyone in 2 or 3 of them so we can do the experiment all together. Today's portion we are going to understand that the pH is basically a different part here. Like from 0 to 7, I have acidic behavior changing. Why that acidic behavior is changing? Why not I am having a consistent pH? If I say that this substance is acidic, then why their acidic behavior is different? Why their pH is different? So basically that depends upon how much potential of hydrogen they have. So in this case, I have taken a glass of water and I'm simply just adding some turmeric in this case. I can see the turmeric color is yellow. Now I'm taking this water and I'm spreading on the paper so I can utilize it afterwards. As you can see it here, paper and turmeric water like this. Now the second thing what we are going to do is let it dry, and meanwhile I can create a paste of the detergent and the paste of the baking soda. Now this is related with my first experiment also. When I'll add some water in the case of the this detergent, so I can feel that this is getting a little hot here. Why? Because it is having a very strong base. When in the strong base you add certain amount of water on dissolution, it produces the heat outside. So it is an exothermic process. And you can feel that process if you take a little amount of detergent in your hand and just add a drop of water. You can feel the hotness in your hand, that they are releasing a different amount of heat. Now in this case, I am taking this soap solution, just taking a cotton bud, and on this paper, what I am doing, I am going to write something, let's say. Can you see the color change? Now I'm taking, on the second side, I am taking the baking soda and then going with the color change. Now see it very carefully. The strong acid, strong base content. Is the color change visible? The first one is giving you a proper blood red color and second one is giving you slightly orangish color. Basically, they are explaining you the property and the behavior that if I have a strong acid and a strong base, they will give you a different color. That means they are giving you a different pH values. At different pH values, the indicator also have a different colorations. That at the pH value of, if I'll say for phenolphthalein, the phenolphthalein has a no color at the pH when it is lower than 7. Till 8 it has no color. At the pH of 8 it's get light pink. Then above till 13 it becomes dark pink, pink, magenta, maroon, dark maroon. So that is the color change which is occurring. So by that color change we can see that they are increasing their basic or acidic behavior. Is it clear?